Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about health, fitness, wellness, and on what I eat off of Nutrisystem with whole healthy foods. I want to make sure that we are all around healthy, and I'd love to do that with you. So if you have anything that you would specifically like to see, leave it in the comments below. But first, if you're interested in trying Nutrisystem out for yourself or know a family or friend who would like to, please send them my link. They'll be able to get 50% off of their order, and I benefit from that myself. I highly appreciate it whenever you guys click on my link. It always helps my channel and helps my channel grow. So without further ado, let's get into the yummy recipes. I'm starting today off with some multivitamins. These are new, Health by Habit. I also have some for collagen, and I think they've been working pretty great. For breakfast, I'm going to be making a protein breakfast smoothie in this little blue mini portable blender, which is super convenient. I just haven't used it a bunch. I'm going to be putting bananas, strawberries, raspberries, and after that I'm going to be adding my Vega protein powder. It is my favorite. Then I'm going to add just a teaspoon of the super greens powder. It has wheatgrass, kale, spirulina powder, and it is super healthy for you. And it kind of turns everything green, so just be forewarned. And then of course with coconut milk. You can put regular milk if you want, but I used non-dairy milk. You can add lots of ice in here so it'll make it taste better, but I didn't find very much room in this tiny little thing, but it tastes just as delicious. Moving into lunch, I'm going to make some savory overnight oats. I'll just be using some quick oats, a little bit of water, and then I'm going to top this up and put it in the fridge overnight. So of course, if you want to do it this way, this is something you have to prepare but the night before. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and put it in a bowl and just heat it up in the microwave. Then the ingredients I'll be using are eggs, tomatoes, avocado, and some sriracha sauce, and you have a delicious meal. And I like my eggs over easy. I don't know how you guys like them, but it'll taste just as good. It'll be savoring, filling, and a nice protein meal. For my mid-morning snack, I'm just going to have this Forager's cashew milk yogurt and strawberry. It is my favorite non-dairy yogurt with a little bit of this chocolate hazelnut granola and some raspberries, and it is one of my favorite snacks lately. And one of the things I like about this Purely Elizabeth brand is it is a grain-free. It has MCT oils, and it is just so good for you. Now moving out to dinner, I'm gonna make a one-sheet meal because it is fast, quick, easy, and that is my jam. So I'm gonna be grabbing some sausage. I'm gonna be using chicken sausage and just the vegetables that I have on hand. I'm going to make sure I cut everything up. I'll be having it with a side salad with this Green Goddess dressing. I got some new juices from Jewel that just sounded really yummy. And then I'm going to be cutting one of these in half as my side as well. You want to turn the oven to 400 degrees. You'll need a little bit of olive oil to drizzle all over the sausage and the vegetables. So we're going to start chopping this up.
Take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever want to go come closer now.
Now these are just some of my favorite things to eat with sausage. I think that they pair really well. The zucchini, the bell peppers, in whatever color you like. I like a lot of colors, so I get red and I get orange and all that jazz. I like broccoli with my sausage. I think that it tastes really, really nice with the Italian seasoning, but you can use anything that you have on hand. So this is when you want to spray everything with some olive oil, put some Italian seasoning all over it, and then you're going to also want to add a little bit of salt.
There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time.
We're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. Set the timer.
Dropping everything
After the 15 minutes, you're going to want to toss everything up and turn things over, stick it back in the oven for 15 more minutes, and then you're pretty much done. And this is the way that it looks. And I swear to you guys, it's so easy and it is so tasty, and you can have this with rice. You can pair this with a lot of things. And here's the way that I enjoyed my meal. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and turn on notifications for future videos. Don't forget to comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see, because I would love to know. Don't forget to check out this last video that I did on what I eat when I was actually on Nutrisystem, in case you are wondering what that. I have all the links down below. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine.